Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make suggested friends can send you messages on your account on TikTok easy and quick. First click on your profile, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and now click privacy. Now click messaging, and here click messaging, and you will find here suggested friends. Just click on it, and you're gonna make suggested friends can send you messages easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.